We want to integrate cos 3x minus 2 with respect to x. Consider differentiating the sine of 3x minus 2. We need to use the chain rule, and dy dx would be the cosine of 3x minus 2, and then we multiply by the differential of the inside function, giving us 3 cos 3x minus 2. So if we integrated 3 cos 3x minus 2 with respect to x, knowing that integration and differentiation are reverse processes, we would get sine 3x minus 2. So here we just have cos 3x minus 2, not 3 cos, so we're going to get 1/3 of the sine of 3x minus 2 plus a constant. Note once again that when we differentiated, we multiplied by the differential of the inside function, and here we've divided by the differential of the inside function. Integration is the reverse of differentiation, and dividing is the opposite of multiplying.